How are you doing, guys and girls? Welcome back to another fun episode of Tom's Cocktails. Today I'll be making for you 5 gin cocktails. Yes, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gin cocktails. Those are 5 gin cocktails that you can learn how to make yourself. 5 different colors, 5 different flavors, 5 very, very different looking gin cocktails. And please let me know which one you think you'll like the most. Put it in the comments box below and let me know. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing, because then you'll be the first to know, especially if you click that little bell, when I upload more videos like this super deluxe, fabulous, awesome one that I'm about to make for you right now. I'm going to attempt to make these cocktails in 5 minutes, and what I'm going to do is try and show you a little bit of flair along the way and talk you through the cocktails at the same time. Oh, setting myself a challenge. I do love a challenge. So, start the clock in 3, 2, 1, go. Right, first cocktail is going into a coupe glass. I need to chill that coupe glass. Bit of a flair move, okay? And it's a shake and strain cocktail. So we need to shake it up, and we're using the gin passion fruit we're using the Boe passion fruit gin, and we need a nice large measure of that, 37.5. Then we need some Cointreau and sugar syrup. Boom. And get your Mexican elbow. And we need to have 25 mils of lemon juice. Now, in the interest of speed, I'm taking the rule of thumb that 1 lemon gives you about 25 mils of lemon juice. Now, these are really small lemons, so I've done 1.5 lemons. Okay, now that's basically ready to shake it up. So, what I want to do, shake it with ice first. Ooh, I forgot one very important ingredient. We need an egg white. So crack that open. I'm going danger. Hopefully there's no egg yolk that's going to fall in. Oh, it broke, so let's get rid of that. Cool. We are egg yolk free. Now, because it's got an egg white in it, it's going to froth up. So I need to wet shake it first, and then I'm going to dry shake it. I know other people do it the other way around sometimes, but this is the way I'm going to do it. So if you've got your opinions, comments box below. Okay, now we need to strain that out without the ice. Get rid of that excess, and now we need to shake it. And this adds extra air into the drink and gives it a nice frothy head onto, oopsie, the cocktail. Okie doke. So, strainy. Oh, yes. Yes! Love it when a plan comes together. Boop. Awesome. We're going to garnish with a blackberry in the bottom. Boop. And I'm going to put a squeeze of lemon over the top. Just to enhance that lemony goodness that's inside the cocktail. Pop that to one side right there. On to the next drink. Right, next one is the Violet G+T. So what we need, your balloon glass. Oh, let's get a nice cube behind the back. And then we need the Boe Violet Gin. Boom, lovely large measure. Beautiful color on this gin. I love it. And a little bit more ice, because ice is nice. No, I'm kidding. Ice is the secret ingredient to basically every single cocktail, pretty much. Ice keeps ice cold, which keeps your drink cold, which means it doesn't dilute so much so quickly. Top up with tonic water. Boom. Okay, I'm gonna add in this lovely little spoon, which you can give and serve to the guest. We're gonna squeeze some grapefruit peel over the top, and booyah tribe inside the ride. That is your Violet G+T. All right, up next is the American Peach. Actually, I'm going to start without ice in this one. And what we've got in it first, we've got Campari, and some sweet vermouth. And then peach and hibiscus Boe Gin liqueur. All equal measures of each. And then get some fresh ice in there. Fresh ice. And we're gonna give it a stir. Some spoon tricks. Give it a quick stir. Okay. Little bit more cubed ice. Soda water. Bam. Okay. Lid on. Ice and time. Another quick stir. Basically a twist on the Americano. We're going to give a squeeze of the orangey goodness over the top. Slip that into the side there. Boom town. 3 down, 2 to go. I don't know what my time is on, but we'll find out at the end, I guess. Next up is a champagne cocktail. Now we are going to use the peach and hibiscus Boe Gin liqueur that we had previously. And, see if I can do this. Oh, yes. And we're going to use the spiced orange. Okay, this is called the orange blossom, this cocktail. So we need a 12.5 of each. Bam. Okay, and then we're going to top it up with some Prosecco. Nice and gently, don't over fizz it. Oh, looks beautiful. Beauty, mate. Absolute beauty. And then finally, we're going to garnish with, get on there, another orange zest. Boom. And then, this is the Bramble. Get in there. Now, we've got crushed ice going in here. And we got the Boe Scottish Gin to start off with. And then we've got the Gin Bramble Liqueur, Boe Bramble Liqueur, 12.5 mils, topping up with Gingerr Ale. Bam, bam. Okay, now I want to give it a quick stir, not too much. You don't want to dilute it down too much. Delicious. Okay, top it up with crushed ice. Bam. And actually, do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put another drizzle of this on top because it just looks delicious. And then finally, we're tucking it in. We're adding our lime garnish on the front. Boom! 5 cocktails in 5 minutes. That's how you do that. To be honest, I have no idea if I did them in 5 minutes, but I'm pretty confident. Anyway, here we have 5 superbulous gin cocktails. You may recognize some of the taste, the flavors from twists on classic cocktails, but these are super awesome. I'm gonna give them a try. Let you know what I think. I know I didn't do it in 5 minutes. It was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's like 6.5, but it was close. It was a good try. Anyway, more importantly, oh yeah. I mean, that's just way too easy to drink, basically. Super strong passion fruit flavor. You got the sourness from the lemon, the sweetness from the sugar, nice kick from the citrusy Cointreau. A delicious drink, okay? Can't go wrong with that. Good texture on it. The good foaminess from the egg white just makes it so nice. I don't know what it is with egg whites. They just make cocktails with this nice foamy loveliness. All right, on to the Violet G+T. Now, I've already tried this one already, and I know it's bloody delicious. So, it's just a violet flavor with the bitterness or the dryness from the tonic. Balances so well. I mean, you've got the spoon in there just for good measure, if you want to take little sips like that. But if you did have like some berries or blueberries or something, other fruit in there, you can use the spoon to get it out. I just like the spoon. I just bought it. I wanted to use it. So, Okay, next up, I'm gonna give this a quick stir. Stirry. With this one, I've got too many spoons. Okay, like an Americano, but better, basically. I mean, it's very, very similar to an Americano, but it just got that little extra kick on the sweet side, which I've got a sweet tooth and I like it, but all the familiar flavors from an Americano are in there. You cannot go wrong. If you like an Americano, I think you're gonna like that one even more. Okay, moving on to the orange blossom. You saw how I made it. It's super simple to make. The peach and hibiscus bow and the spiced orange bow liqueur. You can taste that spiced orange nicely. And the peach reminds you of Bellini. I mean, you can put like hibiscus flower into this drink as well, which will, if you've got some fresh hibiscus flower, you put it in there, it'll really change the dynamic of the drink. But even like this, it's delicious. And the orange peel, you get that orangey, citrusy flavor as you come to drink it. And finally, the Bramble, or Bo's take on the Bramble, which is kind of like a quick Bramble. I mean, I'm sure many of you have probably made a Bramble before. So it's very similar, obviously, but it's just very fast to make it. Sorry for my slurping, it's just much easier, nicer to taste the drink that way. Again, super simple to make. You can put some blackberries on top of that as a garnish as well. So, yeah. Now, I shouldn't drink all these drinks, but the chances are that might happen. But this was super fun to make, and thank you very much for Boe for sending me this product, for sponsoring this video, and giving me the chance to create something fun and exciting for you. I've really enjoyed making these cocktails. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know you liked it. If you've got any comments, questions, or suggestions, put it into the comments box below and let me know what you think. Tell me what your favorite gin cocktail is as well. That's it. Thank you very, very much for watching. And until next time, I'll see you then. Just gonna take this one. And this one. If I had, I'm gonna take this too.